Okay, so this is factory resetting the lock. So to begin with, you need to unscrew the screw up here, which I've already loosened, and take that panel off. And then you will have batteries that usually sit here. Again, I've taken those out. Now there's a screw here, and another one at the bottom. So all of those need to come out. Now these ones should be loose. They'll come out pretty easy. And this bottom one is loose too, so it should just lift off like that. Screws falling everywhere. Right, so at the back of the unit, there's a little button here. So in order to factory reset the unit, you basically need to put the batteries back in whilst holding that button down. So it can be a bit tricky. So I'll hold the button down, put the batteries back in. Make a noise usually. Check the front of the unit.
Welcome to Yale Real Living.
Okay, so that's it, factory reset now.
Register master code.
You'll know it's factory
Press the
reset.
gear key to continue.
You'll know it's factory reset when it asks you for the new user code, for the master code. Alright, so now we're just going to put these screws back. So this is a bit tricky, trying to get it to sit right. Ooh.
Time expired.
So that's just saying time expired to reset the passcode. Right, so it's probably easier starting with the bottom screw, and then because we'll have to take the batteries out again to get to the other screws anyway. I'll just keep it in place until we can get those other screws sorted. If it wants to go in. Okay, so these will come out again. Put these other screws back in. And batteries go back on. There's one on the floor.
Welcome to Yale Real Living.
And then the back panel can go back on. Make sure it's tight. Sometimes you might need to readjust this bottom screw just to make sure it's in. And then the unit's good to go, it's factory reset, and we can reprogram the master passcode. Alright, done.